Hi, doctor. So, now I will show you about my project. My this is all. Now I will show you the functions and the interface about my project. The first one is the main page of mine, which is also the display about the different created online classroom which are created in recent days. But if the user is new one to do something in this website, so he or she will need to register. So firstly, he can type email, name, or any activity. So I just choose anything. Then submit. But if there are any errors for email address, I will type in some numbers. You will see. Yes, there will be some error. The name must be a valid email address. Okay, so let's check about the name. If the name, so for the user typing in some wrong things like this, like in numbers, it also will not be allowed it. Because name must be letters only, or we combine some numbers or with the numbers. As you can see, well, there's still some errors. So the name must be the letters. This one is also for the validation. Avoid the users get some errors. Okay. So then to next activity. If for activity I type some numbers or some alphabets for tests, then still error. Because activity must be the phrase or even just a word. For a word or phrase is enough. But maybe a sentence is better. But it cannot be as any other type, such as numbers, such as some special characters. Okay, so let's submit. Okay, I will say here is what just I created, and for the classroom, if we want to check the detail with more information, which I wrote the more information below the classroom. We can click. So there is the information about the time which is created and the topic of the class. Okay, so if so any classroom, it can be an online classroom or it also can be a presentation if you want to. So whatever. So we can go to the classroom. Okay, so here is the classroom, which I now for the lectures we can create a Zoom in here. Okay, so here is already a room, and and you can say the orders. So here's this one is the orders. If the holders would like to invite anything else, he or she can share the order. Then ask the student to write the order here. Then enter the meeting. So if the activity is a presentation, the lectures can give the mark based on the presentation about the students. The lectures is able to give the mark or comments for the students, such as students. If the name is Zhao, okay, then you can give any mark, such as 87. Comments, I think 87. If the full mark is 100, so then we can give a comment as very good. So for this typing form, there are also some validation process, such as there will be errors if we typing in some alphabets or any other different information. This is wrong information for it. There will be error, and we can see the name is also required. If the users forget to input the name, it's also not allowed. For the comment, we also prepared for the validation. If we type the number in the comments, it is not also forbidden. So for avoid the situation, I set the validation about the avoid. So okay, comment, it will be very good. Mark will be like something. Then we after all the requirement finished and normal, then we submit. See, as we can see, the name, the comment, and the mark of the students all put here. Okay, so another function is about the talking function. If this situation is like the students forget or are late for the presentation or class, the lectures can alert students by WhatsApp in the WhatsApp message.